Yo, YouTube, man. What's the deal? It's your boy Coyote back at it with another banger, man. Today's gonna be a pretty exciting video. If you guys are wondering, we are finna hit the track today. Before we hit the track, we're finna go in with the SPE track bike system. So as you guys see, we have everything in here. Now, in my opinion, these are just a whole bunch of lockouts to like hold the suspension steady instead of it like moving up and down. Here at my boy Top Notch Performance, man. If you guys need any work done, once again, man, Top Notch is the man to come to. I will be leaving all the details and everything in the description. Eesh, man, look at the big old Mickeys we got on there. This ESS kit has been putting in work. If you haven't seen that last video with the Hellcat, make sure to go check that out right now. We'll be leaving that at the top of the video. Was a upper lower pulley E85 Hellcat, so those are usually around like 850-ish plus wheel horsepower. We haven't got this car on the dyno yet. Stock fill system. We are running the JMS booster pump, and it should be running some good times at the track. Hopefully we put down some good numbers. Once we get all the suspension and everything onto the 5.0, we will be heading up to the track. See, man, we finally made it up here to Erndale. Got the suspension and everything all dialed in. We didn't do too much to the suspension, but we did go with the stage 3 track bike system. We finna see how the car perform right now. You guys see we got the fat old 315s in the rear, front skis in the front, no front bumper. Before we go ahead and go down the track, let me know what you guys think we're gonna run. As you guys see, we have the big old race jacket on, man. Loose type, oh shit.
Take some action as soon as the track is marked. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir. Let's get to it.
Mustang not in the top 64.
First run of the night, we was in left lane. We ran the 8. Not too good. I had spun, but as you guys see, the Z01 that we ran, trapped 104. We trapped faster than them, so that is impressive that we let off and still trap faster than them. If we didn't spin, we for sure would have got that.
Is your Fitbit telling you how many steps you're making? No. But you're warming up, right?
Second run we did, we ran a 6.9, 104 miles per hour. I kind of redlined the car a little bit, so we're gonna see if we can improve on that a little bit. But let's go ahead and line it up again. This is gonna be the best time of the night. Let's try to get it. Yeah. There we fucking go. That's what the fuck I'm talking about. There we go, baby. That bitch hooked.
Run was 685. Wow. Big change.
See, man, we got my boy Tone stepping out. FBO 6-speed right here, man. I'm not gonna lie. This motherfucker is one of the fastest 6-speeds out here in SoCal. But sheesh, we got a whole bunch of crazy setups out here. Y'all seen my boy Henchman Heads Cam setup. That shit was wild. Look at that. Sheesh. That Shelby. Snack that. Got an LT1 right here. Look at this setup. Ooh, wee. This motherfucker LT1. Clean ass drag pack on that.
Slow side, 60 foot was quicker. And he goes through the line 640, his quickest run. And backs out of it before the finish line. 9:28, 79 miles an hour. Camaro here in the right lane, getting ready to go. And again, we're going to be running singles because the left lane has something on it we can't get cleaned up in time. Camaro's running best of 694. This is one quick Camaro. With a 6. There goes 837. Camaro drop top here on the right. Mustang here in the right lane, getting ready to go. But you're warming up, right? I left before the tree can get activated. We don't. New slow ET of the night at night after that. Comes up on the finish line, lights with 733 at 100 miles.